Hey, hi. It's about 12:10. I have made one video before this, doesn't matter. As promised, I'm here to answer questions or to give a little bit of help and support to help you make those videos to let your loved ones know how much they mean to you over Christmas. One of the biggest problem areas, not biggest problem areas, but one big question that comes up is, how do I get it to them? It can be challenging because when you're emailing a file, or when you're sending something in Messenger or something like that, the file can be too big. But there are a couple of services out there. If you don't have Google Docs or Dropbox or things like that, or if the person that you're sending it to is not that technically minded, there are some things that you can do. Two services that I recommend pretty much do the same thing. First one is called WeTransfer.com. The second one is called WeSendIt.com. Now, the way this works, you go in, put in your email address, upload the file, add the email address of the person that you're sending it to, and they then get a message to say there's a file waiting for them. It's a good idea to let them know that something is coming so that they're looking out for it and they know it's okay to click the link. There is a verification on definitely on WeTransfer, and I think on WeSendIt as well, so that you have to confirm your email address. They double check. It's a little added security. Okay, so once the person gets that email, if they click the link, they can then download your video and hear your message, that message from your kids to tell them that they love them, they miss them, and they can't wait to see them again. Speaking about recording a message, a really good thing to do. I mean, kids are brilliant at imagination. So asking them to imagine that they're speaking to Nanny and Granddad while they send the message, they're brilliant at doing that. But for us adults, it can be a little bit more challenging. So if you find it difficult, the first thing to do is to close your eyes and try and imagine the person that you are speaking to. Then open your eyes and just speak from the heart. If you find that a little bit more challenging, have a photo of them around you. Talk over with people that are around you. Bring up some memories of them so that you really do get into speaking directly to that person. So yeah, when you're making the video, make it for them, right? So forget about you. Focus on them. Tell them what they mean to you. Tell them how much you miss them. You know what to say. And at the other end of it, the way to send it, use the services WeTransfer.com or WeSendIt.com. Use those services to get the file to them. Means that it doesn't matter how long your file is, how big it is. There is a limit, but it's pretty big. You will be able to get it to them and they'll be able to watch your video. If you have any other questions, anything that comes up that you're struggling with, drop me a note. I'm more than happy to answer them. This time of year, we need you getting your messages to the people that you are going to miss. So not we need you, I need you, you need you. So whatever you're doing today, have a good day. Really, we need to take care of each other. We do at this time of year. Taking care of yourselves, taking care of your loved ones includes telling them that you miss them, that you love them, and you can't wait to see them. Particularly for people who are on their own at the moment, who now know that they are going to spend Christmas alone. Let them know that you're thinking of them. Let them know that you care. It really does make a difference. I'll be back at about midday tomorrow. If you've got any questions, drop me a line. Yeah, and until then, take good care of yourselves and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.